Today, many people are very busy with work and personal life. Managing small tasks can take a lot of time and energy. AI chatbots can help by taking care of these small tasks for you. AI chatbots are computer programs that can understand and respond to your messages. They use artificial intelligence to help you with different jobs. You can use AI chatbots on your phone, computer, or even through messaging apps. One way to use AI chatbots is to delegate small tasks. For example, you can ask a chatbot to schedule appointments or meetings, send reminder messages, answer simple questions, find information quickly, help with shopping lists or ordering items online. Using AI chatbots for these small tasks saves your time. You don't have to do everything yourself. Instead, the chatbot handles routine jobs so you can focus on more important work. To start using an AI chatbot, you can choose one from popular services. Some chatbots are built into apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Google Assistant. Others are available as special apps or websites. When you use a chatbot, just type your request clearly. For example, you can say, "Remind me to call John at 3 p.m. or find a nearby coffee shop." The chatbot will understand and respond quickly. It is important to remember that AI chatbots work best for simple tasks. Complex or very personal tasks may still need your attention, but for everyday small jobs, chatbots are very helpful. In conclusion, AI chatbots are great tools to delegate small tasks. They save time, reduce stress, and help you stay organized. Try using a chatbot today and see how much easier your life can become.